Hello everyone, today is Thanksgiving Day. Today we're gonna make some turkey. So I want to show you guys how to make turkey.
Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Jessica. Termiso mang konting aknya, kami cuma Jessica.
First, we already took out all the insides. All the testicles are in here. We already washed the turkey with salt and water, and we also rewash it with water. Now we're gonna take the salt and pepper. We're just gonna season the insides a little bit. Okay. So now what we do is we get our melted butter, and we're gonna wash the eggs. We're gonna coat the chicken on top. I mean the turkey on top of the turkey. And coat it everywhere. Make sure it looks nice. And when it comes out, it'll be juicy and crispy when it comes out. Very delicious. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the legs in here so it's tied together. Okay, so now we'll put salt and pepper on top. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it over. Oh, it's a big chicken. Turkey. Okay, so now I'm gonna coat this side. Oil, the butter. Now I'm gonna put this wings up here because you don't want the wings to be toasted when it's cooking, so like that. Okay, here. Now I'm gonna tilt it back. And now I put salt and pepper. Okay, so now I'm gonna move the chicken, the turkey onto the tray. It's big turkey. Put salt and pepper over here on this side too. Okay. So now we'll put the test. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take the turkey. It's a big turkey. put it here. Let it sit there. You don't have to do anything to it. So now, okay guys, so now I'm gonna click on bake. I'm gonna bake at 375. And now we just cook it. We bake about 2.5 to 3 hours until it's done. And so while the turkey's cooking, it's been about an hour since the turkey's cooking. Okay, now I got my gloves on, so just grab me. Put it in under like that. Let it cook under. Okay, so we got turkey and the ribs cooking at the same time. Okay guys, it's been about 2 hours and 40 minutes. Cook about another 30 more minutes, so I'm gonna put some more butter on top. Make sure it's juicy when it comes out. Okay guys, cook about 30-40 more minutes. Alright everyone, so now I'm gonna get this little tool. I'm gonna suck up all the juice from the under, put over the turkey so it's nice and juicy. Make sure it's nice in there too, has some flavor in there. Okay guys, so now we can put the liver in here so it can cook. Okay, so now it's almost 3 hours. I'm gonna put the juice over the turkey one more time, and then we're gonna put boil on top so it can cook. Over it, melted butter one more time, last time. Okay. Now I'm gonna boil it on top. Okay, so now I click on boil. Well, I'll stop it first. On boil, 375. Okay, so now it's boiling on top. Okay guys, so now it is done. The turkey out. Oh, it's a big turkey. Wow, it's a big turkey. Big turkey guys, hot. Smell good. It's good. Everything's nice. Hey guys, chicken's now done. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. We all hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one.
អរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នា
ខ្ញុំសូមជម្រាប
ជំរាបលា
លា